Ang bullying ay parang isang virus. Nagkalat ito sa iba't ibang dako ng ating mundo. Habang tumatagal, mas marami ang naaapektuhan at mas marami ang naging biktima nito. Kagaya na lamang ng aming nakapanayam na biktima ng isa sa mga suliraning kinakaharap ng ating sibilisasyon. Kaya ngayon, sabay-sabay nating tunghayan ang kanyang storya at sabay-sabay nating pakinggan ang himig ng kanyang tinig.
It started all when I was in somewhere at kindergarten. There's this classmate of mine who loves to tease me, and I thought of it as a joke. He calls me pig, taba. He sometimes shows me Sometimes we will fight or mag-argue or agawan kami sa isang favorite na teacher. We were both favorites, pareha kasi kaming top. So, tinitis niya ako, lalaki siya, na he likes to keep it all from himself. Wala siya dapat mai-share. Friend siya sa lahat, maliban sa akin, so ginabully niya ako. So, from that moment on, I thought as a joke then, until I realized na grade 1, hindi ako nag-kinder 2, but grade 1, na diyan na realize ko, ay, parang binabully nila ako.
So, letter A. Jamie.
Angel, sir.
Correct. Letter B. Mr. Avila.
Bear, sir.
Correct. Ang
Sir,
sabi-
sir, sir, sir.
Oh, you, Mr. Brian.
Baboy!
Alright,
Yes,
sit
you
down.
are.
Sit
Come here,
down.
baboy!
Sit down. Stop it, stop it, stop it, stop it.
Baboy!
Stop it.
Every time magsumbong ako sa teacher, they would call my parents, mostly my mom. Then, even though I called my mom, they still won't stop. Kahit gano'n sila magsumbong, magsabi lang talaga mama ko, suntukin mo sila. Suntukin mo sila. So, sinuntok ko sila and mas lalo nagagalit yung mga bullies. I found my happy place through anime.
Uy, ang ganda naman ang anime na ito ah. Wow!
Yan ang dahilan nag-addict ako sa anime. So, yan pa rin, ginatis na ako na anime pig girl, di anime piggy girl. So, tintawag pa rin I would still cry. Pero, but much worse, nagbaba yung grades ko. Nung time na yun, nagbaba siya talaga, as in. Meron naman isang, nandun pa rin nagbully sa akin from grade 1 to grade 6, si Archo, Archo, yun lang talagang pangalan ko. Ano siya, parati niya i-report sa teacher na anong dinodrawing ko. Actually, I'm one of the best artists in our school. So, yun. At may isang time na nakadrawing ako ng boy and girl nagkikiss. So, nakuha niya yung notebook ko, tapos gi-report sa teacher, pinapunta sa principal's office. Tapos, nag-drawing lang siya ng kissing, ma'am. Bastos masyado, ma'am. Na ganyan lang yung mga friends ko, bastos pala yung kiss. Alam na nila yung anong bastos at yung hindi bastos. May isang time na pinauto niya ako na tag 500 yung ticket na Apo Resort, yung gano'n na ticket. So ganyan siya, bayaran mo ako ng 500. Diyan nag-start yung extortion money. I've been extorted, physically bullied, also shunned. Muntik ako nakabigay ako ng 500. But sinabi ng classmate ko na yung binubuli rin na nigger, fake man yun na ticket. Muntik ko nabigay yung 500 sa kanya. Muntik na muntik talaga. Yung solution is, yung sinabi ng papa ko, ignore them. Kung magtawa sila sa'yo, ignore them. They're worthless, they're pathetic. Anong use nila sa'yo? So, na-keep ko yung father's words ko. Yung words ng father ko pala. So, na-ignore, so it worked. Ignoring the things na hindi mo dapat na maipansin, should be ignored. Huwag na lang ibasta-basta ba. Huwag ka maging palaban. Kasi alam ko, ibuli ka pa rin nila. I realized na way back since kindergarten, magsagot-sagot talaga sila. I'm not a pig. I'm not a pig. I'm a person. I'm not a pig. Yes, you are. They would. So they would sometimes say na, yes, you are. You are a pig. So the more magsabi ako ng hindi ng totoo na ano, the more babuli sila. Hindi ko sila in-ignore kasi matalis yung pagdinig ko na, Shamir baboy! From afar, I could really hear, I am not a pig. I would always say that. Because sabi ng mama ko, maging palaban ka rin. Huwag ka lang basta-basta. Then the time my mother died, si Papa na naman naggabay sa akin sa pag-anti-bullying.
Ano kayo ka-bullying?
Noong 2014, November 24. So, si Papa na naman. So, practice sinasabi niya sa akin, think. Ignore them. Because they're your competitors. And to those who keep on being friendly to you, they're a pretender. They're just pretending to be friends with you. And I know they won't like me. I think the real cause of their bullying, their teasing of me, na magtease sila sa akin is envy. That's the root cause. Because I'm good at English. Some say I would say, sorry, I don't need to brag, but I am multi-talented. I'm not a good dancer, but I can sing, I can draw. I'm also smart in English and science, not in math. So, it's really envy, the root cause of it. And the solution is just ignore those pathetic people. The longer you ignore them, the lesser the bully. It worked. Just ignore the people who bullied you. That's what I'm going to say to them.
Hi, ako day si Shandy Miflane M. Socorro from grade 10, Isolite, SSG President. Para sa ako, ang mga epekto sa bullying kay matraumatize ang isa ka student, pwede siya ma-depress, tapos, let's say, ma-heal siya physically, pero mag-emotional good gihapon siya, tapos may tendency na mag-suicide good siya, then maapektuhan ang iyang studies, tapos sa family sad.
Liza alias Iza, then section Chrysolite. Kanang kuan ang dahilan ngano ko nila ginabuli kay tungod sa kuan sa akong immature daw kuno nga batasan. Tapos kanang tungod ana ginabuli ko nila. Kanang ginabuhat nila sa ako, ginasaway ko nila. Kanang kuan akong buhok, masing matingala ko ana ngano, tas katura di ang dahilan. Siyempre, kanang kuan, masakitan po ko. Ana good kay kuan, kay classmate good, tapos ginaing ana, pero sometimes kay ma-okay raman po ko kay amigo man.
Tara! Laro tayo! Laro tayo! Laro tayo!